Alright, so you guys want to really know how I'm going to pull off this paint job for $100 or less, give or take in that ballpark. I'm going to take you guys inside and show you this place. Marco Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. Alright, it's the day most of you guys have been waiting for. We got the 95 back at the shop. You guys saw me going and starting up. Car sat for 5 years. 1 gallon of gas, fresh battery, fresh oil, started up. We didn't even change the plug. Started up, ran home. So we're gonna start on the sanding. We're doing a $100 slash probably like $100 to $120 paint job on it. I'm just saying $100 just to round it up, down, whatever. We're gonna start sanding on it. Needs some very minor body work. The car had a single stage paint job put on it like probably, I don't know, like probably 5 years ago when he parked it. However, it is so dull, so shot that we just decided to go ahead and just sand it down, redo it. As you guys can see, it's got some texture in it, so not a bad paint job. I mean, look, we could probably buff this and standing like 5-10 feet away, it wouldn't look bad, but it would probably take us more time to buff this than what we could just scuffing it down real quick, taking a day and taping it up. So I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna start whacking away at this thing. Hope you guys enjoy the process.
One eternity later.
Alright, so you guys want to really know how I'm going to pull off this paint job for $100 or less, give or take in that ballpark. I'm going to take you guys inside and show you this place. Alright, so as you guys can see, you got spray paint, 99 cents a can. This is the color I'm looking for, but they don't have much of it. Alright, got a few other things while I was here, but we got 9 cans total. I don't know about this one, guys. Nine 8-ounce cans to do a whole car. And 2 of the cans are 2 different shades, so we're going to do like one light coat with the first shade of red, one is torch red, the other one is flash red. So we'll probably do the first coat with torch red, the second coat with like flash red. I'm going to try to make it look good. We're going to get back to the shop, get this thing taped up, and start spraying. Wish me luck. And prepared for all hell to break loose. If by means 9 cans of spray paint is not enough, I run out of paint, oh my gosh, I've already have a solution. So those of you boys out there like me that paint a lot of cars, you know, whatever, y'all all got junk paint. Come on, man. Y'all all got junk paint that y'all is just sitting on a shelf. Y'all ain't used. The Mercedes-Benz Mars Red is extremely similar to Milano Red. Very, very close in shape. If I run out of paint, I'm going to throw 8 to 10 ounces of that It's like we're talking like 20, 30 bucks material. 8 to 10 ounces of that in a PPS cup with like 15, 20 ounces of reducer. We're gonna do just one drop coat over the whole car, even everything out, and then we're gonna hit it with the SMR 1150 clear. Let's go ahead and rattle our cans. Let's get to painting. Alright guys, so I got it as good as I could with a spray can, but we ended up having to whip out the Speedokote color base. We're just throwing 10 ounces of it in a cup, and then we're going to over reduce it just a little bit. We're just doing a really, really light drop coat just to get some evenness in the paint. And as you guys can see, the sides are good. It was the hood that I was having trouble with. We didn't have enough paint, so we didn't really get a whole lot of paint on the roof. So we're just doing one nice drop coat just to be safe, because I do want this paint job to come out at least halfway decent. And we're walking it down the car, getting it nice and even, and that's it. And then we're going to move on to clear. guys have it. Can you spray paint a car and put clear over it? Will it look good? Yes. Would this job looked just as good if I actually had enough spray paint and could finish the entire, process of the color with the spray paint? Absolutely. I was slightly under prepared for this video, guys. Like I said, I wasn't expecting them to only have 9 cans. The last time we were up there, they had like 20 cans of that red. I was like, oh, cool, we'll just go up there. Not the case this time. Somebody gets snagged most. However, I am still calling this a minor victory / minor success because we did do like 90% of the color with spray can. That last coat of base with the Speedokote color was just to create some nice uniform, nice uniform color. We already had, like I showed you guys in the video, most of the color was good. The sides were good. The back was good. It was the hood, the front bumper, the roof. It was still blotchy. I was like, listen, man, I do want this paint job to come out good. Let's go ahead and do one just light dust coat of the Speedokote base, and let's make it all uniform, and then we'll clear. As far as that Duplicolor Perfect Match spray paint, one thing I will say, I believe it's an acrylic lacquer. It dries very fast. It will create a lot of orange peel. That's the one thing about spray paint that you can't control is how fast your base dries. So, when I'm using a spray gun, I can use slow reducer. I can use extra slow reducer. If it's cold, I can use fast. With spray can, you don't have that option. That's one thing I strongly dislike about spray can is it completely takes out the element of control, of controlling how fast you want your paint to cure. But guys, seriously, this does not look bad. This is a 1-day job, 1.5-day job. I mean, I'm not even mad at this. You get like really, really close. Of course, it's got, it's got a bunch of dust nibs in it, whatever. We didn't clean it a crazy amount before we painted it. But look, even I am like 3 feet away. And even 3 feet away, it doesn't look terrible. So, breakdown on total cost. So, if you order the SMR 1150 straight from the Speedokote site, it's $75 a kit for the SMR 1150. You order 2 kits, you get free shipping. All orders over $100 ship for free. So that's $75. Hypothetically, if you bought $100 worth of stuff, the clear coat would be $75. 9 cans of spray paint, y'all saw in the store, was 99 cents. That was $9. We used about, I'd like to say about $20, $30 worth of Speedokote paint and reducer. So that lands us right at about the $100 mark. And voila, basically I say, guys, there you have it, $100 paint job. So I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Jobs like my Dell saw it here. Y'all saw that one 2 years ago. And jobs like this one right behind us, the EK we're in the middle of restoring. Those jobs, I get a little more picky. I want very little to no texture. I want it to look good standing 1 foot away, really nitpicking it. Those types of jobs I'll nitpick. These little beat bop Hondas, man, that are only worth a couple grand, look, get them shiny, get them all one color. And that's really all that matters, folks. That is really all that matters. Get it all shiny, one color. No crazy orange peel. I would consider this slightly more orange peel than a factory finish. Get it decent looking and just drive it. Have fun with it. Enjoy it, man. There's too many guys out there in this trade. They will take a car like this. They will blow it all the way apart. Like, they will blow the whole thing apart to the point where they took a week taking this thing apart. Block sand every single coat. Block sand all the bodywork. Block sand all the primer. Prime it twice. Block it back twice. Block the clear coat. Dude, you're turning, like you're taking a $3,000 car and you're putting 2 months into work for it for what? You know what I mean? When you can do this in 2 months, you can do this in 2 days and have it look good driving down the road and actually enjoy it. So that's just my take on it. But so there you go. There you guys have it. Y'all want to know how to paint your car for $100? If you're on the East Coast, head on over to Surplus City. Pick you up about 20 cans of spray paint, not 9 like me, and run out. Pick you up about 20 cans of spray paint, 1 can of the SMR 1150 clear. We did shoot the whole gallon. We shot the whole gallon on the car. 3 full wet coats. Shoot a whole gallon on the car, and if you want to, in a week or 2, wet sand and buff. And there you guys have it. That is going to wrap it up for this one. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.